All right, guys, Josh here, showing off a little fit check for you. Starting off today with a new medium ISP hat. This is a bull denim, made in America. All the branding's there for you. On top, we got the Freenote Cloth Sashiko CPO shirt, military-inspired shirt. I'm wearing a large. I've got it on top of a heavy flannel on a size 4. Love the colorway on this thing. It's beautiful. I actually almost look a little bit olive while I'm outside, but it's got a black, a blue, and like I said, maybe that grayish olive color. Got it on top of a black Indigofera t-shirt, and I'm gonna pull this top CPO shirt off and show you all the shirt a little bit better, the flannel. Here's the flannel in a size 4. This is their extra heavy flannel. I want to say they're around 14 ounce weighing in. On bottom, I've got a baker's pant. This is a reverse sateen. It's like a charcoal gray. It's got a light gray contrast stitching. Beautiful fabric. We all love military fabrics in the shop here. I'd have to say probably my personal favorite is the reverse sateen. And I'm wearing a size 35 in these. On bottom, I've got the Wesco Vault Engineer forged buckle from yours truly. I'm enjoying the fit, guys. I'm looking forward to fall. Anybody else? Holla at you.